Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello all viewers, my name is Suhaila. You can call me Ila. I'm from 11th grade class of Computer and Network Engineering High School in Nata Islamic Boarding School. I want to talk about learning difficulties in students. Abstrak. Kegiatan belajar bagi setiap individu tidak selalu dapat berlangsung secara alami. Hal ini disebabkan oleh perbedaan individu di antara siswa. Siswa tidak dapat belajar dengan baik disebut dengan kesulitan belajar. Kesulitan belajar merupakan suatu kekurangan, yaitu tidak terlihat secara lahiriah. Ketidakmampuan untuk belajar tidak untuk diakui dalam bentuk fisik yang berbeda dengan orang yang tidak mengalami masalah kesulitan belajar. Pada sekarang ini banyak sekali anak-anak mengalami kesulitan dalam belajar. Hal tersebut tidak hanya dialami oleh siswa-siswa yang berkemampuan kurang saja. Hal tersebut juga dialami oleh siswa-siswa yang berkemampuan tinggi. Selain itu, siswa yang berkemampuan rata-rata juga mengalami kesulitan belajar. Sedang yang namanya kesulitan belajar itu merupakan kondisi proses belajar yang ditandai oleh hambatan tertentu untuk mencapai kesuksesan. Kesulitan belajar ini tidak selalu disebabkan oleh inteligensi yang rendah, akan tetapi juga disebabkan oleh faktor-faktor non-inteligensi. Introduction. Learning is process activity and is a very important element in every organization and level of education. This means that the success or failure of educational goals is very dependent on the learning process expressed by students, but at school and at home. Many students have the right and want the best for their knowledge and education. However, in everyday reality, it is clear that students have different abilities, intellectual abilities, physical abilities, and even family backgrounds, where sometimes each student has a striking difficulties. B. Discussion. One definition: learning difficulties are a condition that creates obstacles in a person's learning process. One of these barriers cause the person to fail or at least not success in achieving learning goals. Learning difficulties are conditions where children with average or above average intelligence abilities but have inability or failure in learning barriers to learning in the process of perception, conceptualization, language, memory, and construction of intention, self-control, and sensory integration. Context matter. 2. Characteristic of children with learning difficulties. The problem of learning difficulties is of course very concrete in general. The characteristic of children difficulties in learning include: A. Lesson grades that go up and down. B. Easy to forget. C. Daydreaming often. D. Not motivated to learning. E. Quitter. A. Teach her to sit still for a long period of time. G. Talk too much. H. Memory disorder. 3. Factors affecting children's learning difficulties. The factors that affect children's learning difficulties, of course, are very diverse. Among other factors that influence learning difficulties are divided into two. A. External interference. Internal disorders due to learning disorders from autism, to the sense as visual, learning, hearing, and olfactory disorders, etc. B. Internal disturbance factor. In learning, of course, also expression difficulties caused by internal factors from within oneself that comes from physical and physiological disorders. Of course, these factors include physical heat. Physical heat is certainly very influential in learning, such as illness like of sleep, tiredness after playing or doing other things, as well as people who are hungry and malnourished. Very effectively in person's ability to concentrate on learning, so that they expression weak learning difficulties. The emergence of negative feelings. It's also guilty about caring learning where feelings of discomfort are caused by conflicts with other parties or the feelings themselves, so that they lose contraction in repetition in learning. Intellectual ability. Intellectual ability is also very influential for children, where their abilities are also very limited, so that not all children have high abilities, so that when compared to children with high abilities, they are defeated, so that they cannot the same as other abilities. Learning maturity. In this case, it is also a very influential factor in children learning, because learning is not mastered, so that likely in the future he will be infected with learning difficulties. The egg factor that is too young greatly affect child learning, because at a young age he will express sense of weakness in contrast to the others, where he does not include egg, but he has taken education, so that he will be influenced by his learning ability. Or the solution in learning difficulties. In dealing with culprit learning difficulties, of course, that there are many things that need to be considered as follows the step in overcoming children's learning difficulties. C. Conclusion. Difficulty in learning or studying is something that is often encountered by educators, especially teachers, to deal with the problem of learning difficulties. It can be done through special and intensive and integrated media handling media between educator, student, and parent at home, because after some children spend their time at home rather than at school under parental supervision.